This video is about turning a coffee can into what I'm calling a Hobo-Rocket Stove, which is to say that it is a cross between a hobo stove and a rocket stove. This here is the first version. It worked okay, but had room for improvement. After adding a bunch of holes to it, we have the improved version as seen here. The grate is a computer fan grill and the legs for it are made of 3 motherboard standoffs each, plus a flathead computer screw to attach each leg to the grill. Okay, open the kettle. I'm gonna pour it. Just keep the kettle away from you, like farther ahead. So, like, if it splashes, I'm not gonna get you. Can it hold any more?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah.
It's not even that much full. Think that might be a bit much.
Yeah,
Alright. Here, you hold this now. The kettle. Alright, now I take it to the fire.
Oh my god, look at the kettle.
Yeah, that's pretty big. Now that it got the flow.
Если долго его...
Wow, that's not
Не, он прогреется. Если долго поставить, 15 минут,
Yeah.
то он прогреется.
Yes. Alright, here's a little update on the fire. Man, look at that, red hot. Now that's a hobo stove. How's that for a hobo stove? And as you see, I moved the kettle so that the nose, which is plastic, it does not get that much fire exposure, because I don't know if that plastic could handle it that much.
Wait a
So
second.
it's a little bit off center, but that's okay.
О, да, не, надо
It's a whistling kettle, so...
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's whistling. Yeah, there we are.
Вон сейчас Макс поставит чайник, да. Как повезет,
Какой? Ты сейчас глаза только ставишь.
как доведется. Все у меня хорошо горит. Еще у меня ничего не отваливается. Миша, ему все равно. Все нормально. Ему все равно. Да. Он не спорит.
Мишу уложил, костер разжег.
Мишу баюкал.
Если Миша спит, значит...
Alright, so this here is the Hobo-Rocket Stove. Yes. And so these are standoffs from a motherboard, these legs here, and a screw. This is like a power supply grill. This is a coffee can that I drilled. And this goes up here. There's going to be wood in there. Fire. And back.
Закопай туда. Так сегодня вечером можно будет уже. Да, слава богу.
So this is the Hobo-Rocket Stove in action. As you can see, the rocket portion is that air is coming through here mostly, and of course around the sides. And there's definitely a fire under the kettle. Now you see the fire is right up under the kettle. It's not going to damage the plastic here at the spout. So that's good. Got a nice fire going here. Really steady. I don't want to blow on it because it's really going at a steady rate as is. Really good. And yeah, I guess I'll show you another video later on when the kettle is whistling, so the water has boiled. It's been a couple of minutes. Kettle is still not boiling just yet. Probably getting close. Fire is still going strong. That's what I like to see. So you got a steady flow of fire right in there. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, we got potatoes going right here in foil. We got this contraption, which is a primitive technology, you know, the air entering here, going through the underground tunnel, going up into here. There's meat getting smoked in there. You could imagine that. Oh, the nick of time. Look at that. I could not be making this up right before your eyes, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Now let me grab a glove and get that out of here. Yep.